Hello, welcome to District channel. So today we discuss topic about that how to generate website leads from Facebook lead generation campaign. So we have using for social media, search engine optimization, lot of we can use. But Facebook lead generation, where we can save the leads, first question, where we can save the leads in first question. How we can using for Google ad lead generation, same like that, we can generating for Facebook lead generation. The lead generation will be saved by one Excel sheet where they not received by email, they receive by one Excel sheet. Where it is, when you go to your company page, if I'm selecting for Architect Solution in company page, which page you creating for lead generation? The same company page. In lead generation ad, the company will be given by the here option will be. That is called your publishing tools or ad center. Different options are there. In this one, we can come into this scroll down, lead generation form library. In this form library, we have Excel sheet will be create. What are the lead you are generate? We can download from here. This is calling. Who will be contact? You can call to the customer. Nobody can call your number. This is only fill up your application. Lead generation form. Who are looking for your service? They fill up the form. So how to create the campaign? Go to Facebook Ad Manager, select Create Ad. In this option name is called consideration, that is called lead generation. Select lead generation. There is showing some option. Don't enable any option. Click for continue. After this continue, select your campaign name. This will be RTS, new lead generation. What is the buying type? Auction. What is the purpose of lead generation? Always remember, lead is nothing but the people will be fill up the form. They can't direct your call. Call purpose other campaign. This will be focused only for Excel sheet will be fill up. You can call to the customers. Next. Why? Because why I'm stressing this one? This is an interview question. Lead gen nothing but you can get the direct call. No, they will be only received from Excel form. Instant from automated chart call option. We have three options in the lead generation. Suppose the team will be called, they receive the call will be here. How many calls will be received? 41 to 118. Our automated chart. If you give the chart customer, the chart will be here. Here. Next, instant form. But my lead generation will be, what is the focus? Which is better? Can I create the call button or can I create the instant form? Form will be created, will be happen. Our calls also will be that we can create calls in this. Always remember, anyone you can creating lead generation, terms and condition always you can accept. That is a minimum responsibility. So when you go to calls, the reach will be 7,400 to 21,000. Instant form 4,500 to 13,000. How many leads will be generated? 16 to 46. What the budget will be? 800. But I give away only for 80 rupees. 80 rupees. How much will be price? And calls. When I give the 80 rupees, how many calls received? Less than 10. So I can increase my budget. It will be 200. Accept the calls. So that is called lead generation. Only we can create the instead of the form. So calls minimum, we have to spend the budget will be very high. So it will be 450. 1 to 10 calls. So this is expensive. That is the reason the people creating for lead generation form. So lead generation can go with the calls, is give the 100 calls, 200 calls. When you're spending for more amount, less amount, we can't. Now we are spending for 450 rupees. How many calls we receive? 1 to 10, maybe one call, maybe less than maybe one call. But we are spending for 450 rupees. How many lead will generate? 9026. Except 2 lead will be confirmed, my amount will be good. How much I spending? Just I'm spending for 500. In this one, as simply we can go this one, 150, less than 10 leads. But I have to confirm will be 200, 250 daily, 5 to here, 300, 6 to 17. So I can minimum expecting for 6 leads. So can I go with the budget will be daily how much? 300. So that is called lead generation campaign will be very expensive. Understand? Compared to the reach, awareness, every campaign, lead generation will be expensive. If you go to the lead generation, how much amount will be increased? Leads will be increased. Don't exceed more than 700 per day from lead generation. Don't exceed here. Why? Because if you exceed will be 800. What should you given in this? I give the 700. What given? 6 mark. 650. Here will be problem. 500. Accepted. We can go how much budget we can go for lead generation daily? 500 will be better budget for daily. Same like Google AdWords. Same like Google AdWords. Here, any catalog will be the user catalog. Any products you have to purchase. Right now, I don't have any products in the marketplace. Where marketplace? Facebook. If you create any kind of ads in marketplace, here will be show the marketplace ads. Here will be show the marketplace ads. Right now, I don't have any product ID. That is the here. See this one. South Indian News, Facebook Marketplace, everything. So daily budget is done. Start date. I'm not mentioning date. What is the reason I'm not mentioning date? This ad can run anytime. Why is a lead generation form? Suppose I can run by 2 days. I got 10 leads. I can stop another 2 days. First, I fulfill the 10 leads. I can go another leads. So can I stop? Can run anytime. So that is a mention. I don't mention date. Suppose the lead will be only running for 2 days. You mention end date from 2 days. Depend on the lead ad generation, you can generate by the lead generation ad. So next one, audience selection. Audience as usual, location. Right now I can target by the only Hyderabad. My business will be Hyderabad. I target only for Hyderabad. 9 to 26 leads. Each will be 2,500 to 7,200. I can reach up to 5,000, 4,000, anything, but leads will be getting from minimum 9, end with 26. The budget, how much budget we are using for? 500. Done. Age will be, a little bit changing for age. Age, this lady will be targeted by up to 45 years. 45 years or more, but I'm target will be here. Nothing will be changed. Why? I'm looking for genuine leads about the particular option. All languages, placements, where it is supporting Facebook, Instagram, or audience network. Lead generation, they're not supporting for messenger option. Please note on this point. Facebook lead generation ad, they can't supporting messenger option. So that is called selecting for automatic placements. What is the purpose? Lead generation. So we're selecting for optimization for ad delivery only for leads. Lead nothing but genuine customer will fill up the form. You get by Excel sheet where publishing tool option name is called from library. Show option, impression, standards, everything will be there. Save audience. Go to next option. The final one is called form fill up in. So here, create ad. Usually will be here in this image. You can select upload image. form, primary, headline, display line here, and displaying what the option name is called sign up. Here, what the option name is called create form. First of all, fill up the details. Details. Create form. Intro. Use the name of the your ad. Intro will be here. Headline. Question. Multiple lines. Short answer. Condition. So any option will be short answer. If you fill up the form is wrong, compulsory you will be here. This will be description part, email, full name here. Add category, what are the contact details, what are you asking, phone number, and so what you can add in for user information, demographic, work information, and in this. You're only adding for how many? Full name, email, and phone number. So any customization will be there. You can add the customization option. User information, demographic. So how many I'm adding for? Full name, email, and particular phone number. Policy. Here, add your link. Get more details. Completion. Thank you. You are all set. Your visit our website are existing from now. So thank you for contact us. Get back. So if your one thing is mistake, complete is down. Form preparation is more important. These are 5 conditions. The condition will be going to one by one. Form type, intro, question, privacy, and completion. Privacy nothing but what is the link and get more details. Is it clear? Next one, what is the option name is called? Publish. So error message will be here. Write down your particular option. What are the mistake you done? Everything will be concept will be here. Is it clear? So we can go to setting, language, English, field names, everything done. Full name, email, and phone numbers. And this will be here. Click for publish. Form 100% success will be created. How to visible your ad will be customers. This will be total how many placements? 12 placements. What's the first place? Facebook feed, Facebook instant article, Facebook instant video, Facebook video feed, Facebook marketplace, Facebook stories not visible. Note down this one. Facebook search results visible, Instagram feed visible, Instagram stories visible, Instagram Explorer visible, RS network visible, RS network rewarded videos. They not visible. Out of 12, they can't visible only for 2 options. One is called RS network rewarded videos. Second thing will be Facebook stories. So they will be visible by the 10 places your ad will be. So finally, what do you click for? Click for publish ad. Before publish, we have call options. If you are a YouTube channel promotion, subscribe. Job application, apply now. Any service booking, book now. Any app downloads, download here. Any offers promotion, get offer. Get code, learn more, sign up. So we can selecting will be any contractors we can use in contact, but I am clicking for sign up. Is fill up the my form who are looking for customer training, customer services, anything. They click the option publish our lead generation form. Once click the publish, we can go to this option. Always remember, go to your Facebook page. Option name is called publishing tools. In the left side, that option name is called form library, leads add forms. Is it clear? The form visible to the customers. Here will be ad is creating here today, 30 November here. See this one, today date. And download. See, download new leads, download by date of range. Is it clear? These are nothing but which one? Lead generation ad. They create by the through Excel sheet. So lead generation ad, we have three options. Calls, lead generation, and particular option will be given, which is we can use from the most of the using for lead generation form with the Excel sheet downloads. So these are the priority compulsory we can follow where in this Facebook lead generation ad. This is completely important. Your location, your services, your content and form, that are important for your particular things. And lead generation purpose, we can promote your jobs also. We can promoting for jobs, previous company, running company, what is your job rate, everything we can mention from the your contactors form. That is the lead generation form. So clear? So if any particular doubts about the lead generation form, ask me to my channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.